This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a mud water pot. Start by carefully removing any large pieces of mud or debris from your pot. A good initial rinse with clean water will help dislodge surface dirt. Then, grab a stiff brush and give the pot a good scrub to tackle any remaining grime. Make sure to empty all the water before moving on. For a deeper clean, prepare a solution of mild soap and warm water. Let your pot soak in this mixture for at least 30 minutes to loosen tough dirt. Use a non-abrasive pad to gently scrub away any stubborn stains. If you have hard watermarks, a solution of 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water can work wonders. To disinfect your pot and eliminate any lingering odors, prepare a diluted bleach solution. Use approximately 1 tablespoon of bleach for every gallon of water. Allow the pot to sit in this solution for a few minutes, then rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove all chemical residue. Air dry completely to prevent mildew. Regular cleaning is key to preventing future mud and grime buildup. Always store your pot in a dry, well-ventilated area to avoid moisture issues. Try to avoid leaving standing water in the pot for extended periods. For future use, consider adding a protective liner to make cleaning even easier next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.